Welcome to the 16th installment of Quest, Riven. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. Inspired by Type 100 peel-apart instant format film, Riven emulates this unique and distinct film stock. This set features 3 color presets and 2 profiles. Also included are 3 unique film borders, easily applied with one click, adding the characteristics often found with Type 100 film. Customize your edit further with 3 color cast presets, which add a warm glow to specific areas of your image. AQ16-1, a soft and aged bronze matte overtone with warm peach highlights and neutral blues and greens. AQ16-2, cool azure colored overtone with minty blue highlights. AQ16-3, a peach coral overtone with teal ocean greens and soft cobalt blues. The profiles in this set are designed to mimic the look of expired film. And don't forget, you can mix and match any of these presets, profiles, or tools.